So here, the security door I tried to install, and you see down there. So here you see the wood block, and when you watch other people's video, you try to put different wood, power it up to raise the security door to the level of the door they want to put on. And no matter how different wood that you put, it's not going to adjust to the level you want. I have a different way. I'm going to show you that it'll be a lot easier to adjust it to the level you want. It'll be perfect the way you want. Let me show you. So here I'm using two car jack, one on each side, this side, and this side, and make sure the one you adjust it pointing outside, the same as this one here pointing outside. Then I'm using an aluminum bar, like that. Put it on top of it, and move it closed. Then I move the aluminum bar close against the wall of the door and make it like this. Then I'm going to put security door on top of this. Let me show you. Okay, after this I'm going to put two concrete paper to push it against the two car jet, make sure it won't slide out. Here you see the door is not level, you see the gap here, and then let me show you on top. See that the door is not level, so how do you level it? Let me show you. So you can turn this to raise it up. You turn it clockwise, not counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is to push it down. Clockwise is push it up. So you turn it clockwise. You see that you push up the door. Now you see before and after. Now you've raised the door up. So here you see the door is not level. You can tell right there. We zoom in. Now I'm going to adjust the car jack to make it level. Now it is level. Now this is how you level the door the way you want.